today's video, I'm going to be listing out whitening and repair body lotion that clears the skin and gives you an under yellowish skin tone. These lotions are lotions that will definitely leave people complimenting your skin. Not to worry, because the truth is I don't review products that I have not recommended or products I have not used. Even if I get to review products I have not used, it's either I've recommended to people or I have gone through the ingredient listing and they are very, very safe for certain skin concerns or certain skin conditions. Okay, so yeah, if this is something that will interest you, definitely do well to keep on watching.
Hold me close till I get up.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? This is Sunita here with a very smiley face. So if this is your first time, hi. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to this one. You guys, thank you for the comments that keeps coming in, like the questions and whatnot. Comments actually gives me a clear guide on what you guys want to see moving forward. In today's video, I'm going to be listing out whitening and repair body lotions that clears the skin and gives you an under yellowish skin tone. Like I said, I'm going to be listing out just two. One I'm using and the other I have recommended for like 3-4 people, not so sure, but I've recommended for a few people, my subscribers, and trust me, they came back with a whole lot of thank you. Okay, now the truth is these lotions are not so cheap, but trust me, you're definitely going to have value for your money because they repair the skin and in fact they do a whole lot of things. Now why I chose to talk about this particular two body lotion is because they repair the skin and still lighten the skin as much. They won't give you any form of discoloration, dark knuckles and green veins, and even if they are going to give you green veins, trust me, I'm definitely going to tell you what you should avoid when using these lotions. Okay, you guys, the two body lotions I'm going to be listing out is Abebi White Kojic half-cast whitening lotion, and the other one is the Glutathione and fennel seed. Now Glutathione comes in 2 different variants. Like Abebi White comes in 3 variants, and then this one comes in, I think I've seen just this one. Okay, now the one I'm going to be talking about is not the regular one that we're used to, the Abebi White. No, it's not that one. I'm going to be talking about the fennel seed one. But first off, let's talk about the Abebi White Kojic half-cast whitening lotion. Now this particular lotion comes in variants, but the one I'm talking about, of course, I'm going to be leaving it on the screen. It comes in a 500 ml bottle and is retailing for 20,000 naira. Yeah, you heard me right. And trust me, there's some other places that might be selling for as high as 22, 23 or 25,000 naira. So it's not so cheap. Okay, now the truth is, I'll always tell people, try as much as you can to get or invest in original products. If you buy the original product, like it cannot be overemphasized, getting the original product will save you from a whole lot of reaction or after reactions. Okay, it's very important that you invest your money in original skincare product. Now this particular lotion stops the overall production of melanin, which gives the skin a lighter tone, and also helps to remove dark spots, melasma, wrinkles, freckles. It helps to fade away stretch marks and eradicate green veins, because there are some lightening products or lightening lotions out there that would give you green vein, but with this particular lotion it will not give you any green vein. Rather, it's going to help minimize the appearance of green veins. So this lotion is made with powerful ingredients that work well to eradicate scars, gives the skin a lighter complexion without any reaction. It will not leave your skin feeling bleachy or looking bleachy. There are some lightening products or lightening creams that you use, and then 2-3 weeks into it you start looking reddish and whatnot when you go under the sun. With this lotion, is not like that, because yes, it does contain SPF, so it's very, very safe to be used in the morning. But as I would always advise people, using lightening products in the morning would cause you more harm than good, especially for people who are just getting started, who do not know what to do and what not to do when it comes to skincare. Even if you notice that a certain cream is reacting badly on your skin, you don't even know how to go about it. So if you fall under the category of people who are just getting started with skincare product, because the fact that you're using a lightening product, or you've been using lightening products for the longest time, you might not know the right thing to do when these products are reacting badly. So when using product like this, in order for you to be on the safe side, it's best to use them only in the evenings when you are back. So now for this particular lotion, I will advise when using it, then use it alongside a moisturizing shower gel. That way it will not give you any form of reaction. For people who easily react to skincare product, if you have a shower gel or something with soap that is actually working for you, by all means make do with that. Now you're not going to omit or overlook the importance of exfoliating your skin. It's very, very important that you exfoliate your skin, especially when you're lightening your skin, because that way it helps to give you a clear skin or a clearer skin to work with, and helps the lotion to penetrate deeply and do its thing. Skincare products work hand in hand to enable each other work effectively. If you have a soap that it lightens the skin, you obviously would need a scrub to help the soap work effectively. And you need your sunscreens to lock up all of this moisture. You need a moisturizer. All of these things just works hand in hand to give you a clearer skin. So when you hear clear skin, it's not just tied to a certain lotion. That's like different skincare products that comes together to give you a clear and beautiful skin. Okay, that being said, the very next lotion on my list is the one I'm currently using, because I've heard a lot of people asking me this question: Sunita, what are you using? Now, I have never hidden anything I've used here. The only reason I might not want to talk about what I'm using is because I want to be sure of what it does, like what it actually does or what it would do to my skin before recommending or bringing it on here. I'm going to give you guys my honest review about this particular lotion. I won't even lie. Okay, yeah, this is the Glutathione final seed body lotion. This is what I've been using. If you've been following me, or if you've watched my last couple of videos, I talked about this particular cream as well, and I told you the backstory, how I started using this one. Okay, prior to now, I was using the Purec Egyptian Secret, and it's here. The reason why I will stop using it is because it contains carrot oil, carrot extract. I noticed it contains it. Prior to now, I didn't know, to be very honest with you. So it was a subscriber that pointed it out to me. So I'm not going back to this, but it's not bad. It's just that carrot is not good with me. Like, carrot does not align well with my skin type, so that's why I'm going to discontinue, or I've stopped using this. I'm not going back to this anymore. So yeah, this is what I'm currently using now. Like I said, this is the Glutathione final seed body lotion. This contains Q10. This is hydroquinone free. For people who would ask, does it contain hydroquinone? Then they do not contain hydroquinone. However, if you use it the wrong way, you're definitely going to feel like you're using product that contains hydroquinone. Again, there are also ingredients in certain body lotions that are much more active or dangerous to your skin, much more than the hydroquinone that we all know. Okay, so you want to look out for ingredients like that. Like I said, it contains natural plant extracts, active ingredients to promote skin long-lasting water embellish. According to them, they said it's a protecting lotion that gives complete defense from the sun as it visible whitening in 14 days. And trust me, this is one of the lotions that I have seen that does what it says it does. Like, it gives you visible whitening or lightening effect in 14 days. You could visibly see that you're using something lightening or something very really effective. Okay, now I reviewed this, I think, for people who wanted to travel, that reached out to me that they needed something to actually lighten up. I told them to use this particular lotion, because trust me, it's one lotion that gives you that effective lightening in 14 days and still would not react badly, like with zero reaction. Okay, now moving forward, it protects against anti-grain vein, anti-pimples, anti-stretch marks, anti-aging, wrinkles, blemishes, and whatnot. It has expiring date, so please, if you're buying, look out for the expiring date. You guys, mine would expire 2025. That's a very, very long time, and the product in here would not last me for the next like 2 weeks. So you want to look out for the expiring dates. It's very, very important. Most times it's not like what you, maybe the product you're getting or you've gotten is fake, but it's because it has expired. A whole lot of people do not look out for expiration date. So it's very, very important that when you're buying your skincare product, especially the expensive one, try as much as you can to look out for the expiration date or the expiring date. It's very, very, very important. So this comes in a 500 ml bottle, and it has SPF. Obviously it has SPF 30. You can see this here. One thing that caught my fancy about this particular lotion is that it contains Q10. Now, for those people who do not know the importance of Q10, because our skin also produces or have Q10, importance of Q10 on our skin cannot be overemphasized. In order for this video not to be too lengthy, I would urge you guys to try to read or familiarize yourself with some of these skincare ingredients, so that when you see them, you don't need somebody to tell you that this lotion is good. Now you can easily get convinced in a skincare store when you don't know the right product or the right ingredients to look out for. If you know ingredients to look out for in a cream or a body lotion, the moment you go there, you already know what you're going for. But if you don't know, people will always tell you, go for this, go for that. So many skincare products that help to make certain skincare or lotion work effectively. For people who would use this particular lotion, who have used any of this lotion, and you're experiencing green vein, I will urge you to look out for the kind of soap you're using, the shower gel you're using, the tablet soap you're using. It could be that they are reacting badly. Your scrub might react badly on your skin. It might give you blackheads or whiteheads, and you feel it's the lotion and whatnot. So when using these lotions, in order for you to be on the safe side, use mild moisturizing shower gels, because lotions like this have little or no moisture to retain on your skin. So you want to take it a step further by using a shower gel that contains moisturizing ingredients, that contains collagen. That also need oils to go alongside with it. You also need your moisturizing lotions. You need moisturizing lotions, because the truth is, most times during the day I use either amlactin during the day or Nivea Nivea cocoa butter during the day to nourish my skin. That's what I do. And majority of the times as well, I go in with my moisturizers at night, just to moisturize my skin, because I have gotten to my desired skin tone. So I want to take it a step further. It might just lighten me way more than I wanted, or more than I would want. So that's why sometimes I try to tone it down. Like 5 days in a week, I just only moisturize my skin. Like dedicate a day to moisturize your skin. Try as much as you can to take moisturizers. Very, very personal. Is very important. So now that's how to make these lotions work effectively without giving you any reverse effect or side effect. Okay, do not forget your sunscreen. Sunscreens are also very important. The importance of sunscreens, I will always say, cannot be overemphasized. Sunscreens are the real deal when it comes to skincare. Is sunscreens that makes every other skincare product makes sense. Because if you're using a whitening cream or a face cream that lightens your skin, that had cleared sunburn, the only way you can maintain is when you use a sunscreen that would help shield you from the UV rays or the harmful UV rays of the sun. So please try as much as you can to consider taking your sunscreens. Very important. Invest in original sunscreen, because there are sunscreens that will use that will not give you value for your money. So try as much as you can. A 6,000, 7,000 sunscreen would really help, as opposed to the 1,500 sunscreen, because there are some sunscreens that will furthermore cause damage to your skin. So try as much as you can to be very deliberate when it comes to skincare. Don't do it as if you're being forced to. Do it as if your life just depends on it. So try as much as you can to take it more personal and more serious, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If you did, do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. I'll definitely see you guys in my next one very soon.